Does your mind feel like a browser with 100 tabs open right now? The news, the emails, the bills, the noise. It's draining your battery, and you're here because you need to recharge. Welcome to Digital Relief. For the next few minutes, we aren't going to fix your problems only. We are simply going to close the tabs one by one. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down on your back. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Let's begin. Firstly, let's log out of the physical world. Take a deep breath through your nose, filling your chest, holding it at the top, and exhale out through your mouth with a soft sigh. Let it all go. Do that again. Inhale and exhale. Notice your jaw. Is it tight? Drop it slightly. Notice your shoulders. Are they touching your ears? Let them fall. Now unclench your hands. Let them be free. You don't need to hold anything up right now. Gravity can handle it for you. Now imagine your mind is a screen. On that screen, all the things stressing you out throughout the day. Now imagine your mind is a screen. On that screen are all the things stressing you out today. Maybe there's a tab open for work stress. I want you to look at it, acknowledge it, and in your mind, gently click the X. Watch it disappear. Maybe there's a tab for tomorrow's to-do list. You don't need that right now. Click on the X and close it down. Maybe there's a tab playing a video of an awkward conversation you had years ago. Pause it. Now click on the X and close it. Keep closing all the tabs until there is nothing left on the screen but a blank, calm, white space. Just you. No notifications, no updates, just silence. Rest in this blank space for a moment. Feels better, doesn't it? A quiet mind is a powerful mind. When you open your eyes, the world will still be there, but you will be clearer. You will be rebooted. Start to wiggle your toes. Deep breathing. Energize your body and let it out. Open your eyes. You just successfully reset your system. If you feel lighter, hit the like button so this video can reach someone else who is feeling overwhelmed today. Subscribing to Digital Relief ensures you always have a place to unplug. See you in the next session.